You may have watched many tutorials on YouTube for recovering deleted photos from Google Photos, but none of them actually work because all of them are doing just for gaining views. So in this quick video tutorial, I'll tell you a trick to recover your deleted photos from Google Photos. And first of all, you have to open up your Google Photos, and the very first thing that you can do is you have to tap on your profile picture available at the top right corner of the screen, and here you get an option of backup. If your backup is turned on, this is the very first green signal for recovering your deleted Google Photos. Because if your backup is turned on, you can simply log into this account on another device, and from there you can restore your backup. But if your backup is off, just like me, or your last backup is too old that the photos that you want to recover were not backed up in that backup, then you need to move to the step number 2, which is you have to go to collections, and after that you have to scroll down here to the end, and here the last option in this list is trash, so you gotta tap on that. And here, if you had deleted those photos within the range of 60 days, they may be lying here. From here, you can tap and hold on the photo that you want to recover and tap on this restore button. In this way, your photos will be restored. But if you have deleted the photos from this folder too, or the photos that you are trying to recover are older than 60 days, then you have to move to the step number 3, which is you have to open Google Chrome or Safari, and you have to head over to this page. I will give the link to this page in the description of this video, and here you can read that permanently deleted files from Gmail, Google Photos or WhatsApp backups cannot be recovered. But if you still want to recover them, then you have to start your file recovery, which is available on this page. From here, you have to tap on request file recovery. It will ask you for a login of your Google account from which you had deleted the photos. You have to log into that account and submit a file recovery. And if this thing also didn't work, another thing you can do is you can head towards this page to contact Google Support live. I will also drop the link of this page in the description of this video. From here, you have to select the topic, recover deleted photos, and select permanently deleted my file, press next step, and here you have to press the next step again, and in the third step, you will find the live agent to talk to Google Support. You can explain your issue to him that you want to recover your photos, and in this way, Google Support will help you recover your permanently deleted photos. Hope it works. So that's how you recover your permanently deleted Google Photos. Thank you so much.